Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making candied carrots. This is super easy to make and it takes just a few ingredients. Plus, it's made in one dish in the microwave. So let's get started. In a microwave safe dish, and I'm using one that's 1.5 quarts in size, add 16 ounces of baby carrots. Then sprinkle on 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then cut 2 tablespoons of butter over the top. Now cover this and microwave it on high for 4 minutes. Then remove it from the microwave and stir it until it's well combined. Now put the lid back on and microwave it for an additional 4 minutes or until the carrots are tender. Then remove it from the microwave and stir together before serving. And here it is, candied carrots. This is a quick and delicious side dish. It's great for your holiday table or anytime. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. In a bowl. Not in a bowl. In a microwave safe dish. No, is it dish or bowl? In a microwave safe bowl. I want to say bowl. It's a dish. And here it is, candied carrots. My goodness. And here it is, candied carrots. Wait a minute.